This is ASVAB and PiCAT mass knowledge test. Today we ask us to find what is the reciprocal of what 15 whole number 2 all over what 13. Step 1, we need to change this number from what mixed fraction to what improper fraction. And how do we do that? When we have 15 whole number 2 over what 3. What we are going to do, we are going to say what 3 times 15. We are going to have what 3 times 15, then plus this 2, which is the numerator at the top, then everything over this 3 that's here. Then do you know that what 3 times 15 is going to give us 45? Then we now plus the 45 with 2, which is this 2, everything over 3. Then we have what 45 plus 2 will give us what 47 over 3. But this 47 over 3 is not the reciprocal of what 15 number 2 all over 3. 47 over 3 is the same thing as what 15 whole number 2 over 3. How do we find a reciprocal of a number? It simply means you interchange the numerator with what the denominator. Since 47 over 3 is the same thing as what 15 over 3, we have not changed anything. All we need to do is we are going to interchange the numerator with the denominator, meaning the 3 will come up, then the 47 will come down. At this point, the reciprocal of what 15 whole number 2 all over 3 is equals to what 3 over 47. Based on this our explanation now, the correct answer is this. Remember, this is past question. We don't know whether they will repeat the same question. But what if they ask you what is the reciprocal of what 0.5? Do you know? So I'm going to solve more questions on reciprocal in my next video so that you can learn comprehensively about reciprocal. Now, do you know that we can rewrite this 0.5 as 5 over 10? Under this point, you put your 1. Since the number that is here is what 1 digit, you write 1 0. Now we now have 5 over 10. Now for us to get the reciprocal of this number, all we need to know, we interchange the numerator with the denominator. We now have 10 all over 5. Then 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Or the reciprocal is what 2 over 1 or 10 over 5. Don't forget, follow me for more. Bye.